Miracle System is the culmination of 30 years of panel repair experience, and as the name suggests, it is a system of panel repair tools used from roughing out to finishing. Its wide selection of attachments are designed for each step of the repair process, able to assist a range of vehicles with varying damage types, damage locations, and panel strengths. The Miracle Welder was specially designed to work with the Miracle System. Pictograms make selecting the correct tool and welder settings a breeze. With no trigger to wear out, the Miracle Welder welds on contact, improving efficiency and longevity. The system's unique ground offers 3 grounding options, enabling easy access to the best ground connection possible and without needing to ground off at a second location. Each tool is made with the proprietary alloy of titanium and aluminum, making them both light and strong with a refined design aimed for long life and efficiency in your shop. 4 different steel packages are available, from the Tech Kit to the all-inclusive A package, meeting any shop's budget, size, or number of technicians. Miracle Aluminum and Miracle Glue are possible add-on kits to any of the steel system packages. Miracle System's keys are made of a special alloy and are designed with a slotted hole, allowing easy slide-through for your pulling rod or tool. As repairers begin, pulling from the deepest point of damage first, adjacent keys begin to assist in the repair as the damage is removed. Miracle System comes equipped with 3 types of push-pull mechanisms. The strong puller is for pulling on strong areas of the vehicle. The center shaft of the strong puller easily adjusts tension with the turn of the knob changing the height. Flat feet are for flat areas, and double feet are for curved panels, or for spanning keys already in place on the panel. The line puller enhances the capabilities of the strong puller. It is not about repairing bigger damages, but having proper foot placement on the strong areas of the panel so additional damage from the feet is not created. The longer line puller is 1600 millimeters, but is both strong and light. Without this length and strength, you would not have proper foot placement for the repair. Easy Puller is a finishing tool that again utilizes the push-pull principle. The 7 interchangeable frames allow you to isolate dents and damages of different sizes. Contact us today about Miracle System and learn more about its ability to increase your facility's repair capacity and profits.